Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome to Siblings Crafts. In today's video, we'll show you how to make a paper fidget spinner. And this is going to be a really fun craft. And it's just really fun to play with. It's not going that fast and it's not spinning that much because the tips are hitting the inside of my hand. It's a little big, but that's alright. So let's jump right in. So you'll need 2 pieces of paper, an X-Acto knife, a toothpick, a coin, a piece of cardboard, and some super glue and a pencil. Now just take one of the papers and fold one corner in like this. Now cut off the rectangle. Now open it back up, fold it in half, fold it in half again, and fold it in half the other way. Now bend it so it's like a triangle on the inside. And do the same for the other one. Now you're going to take one, turn it over, and the squares that are on the ends, you're going to fold them in so they are triangles. Now turn one over and put it on top of the other one. Make sure the pointed ends are looking all in the same direction. And fold it in and tuck it inside of the one on top. Same thing on the other side. Even it out a little bit. Now turn it over and do the same thing. Now take your X-Acto knife and make a hole in the center. Now put your coin on the piece of cardboard and trace it out. Now trace another one. And cut them out. Now I've got my 2 circles of cardboard. Now I'm going to take a toothpick and cut off the ends so it's not too long, just a middle bit, and poke it inside of one of them, like this. Take a glue gun or super glue and just put a bit on it so that it sticks, and just wait for it to dry. Now put it through the hole in the center. And get the other cardboard circle and poke it through it. And take some glue. Now if you notice that there's way too much friction between the cardboard pieces and the spinner, then you can take a stapler and put 4 staples in like this to make it have less friction. So here we are. It's the paper fidget spinner. See, so I'm gonna do it. It's a bit big for my hand. That's why it's stopping really fast, because the tips hit the inside of my hand. But make this at home yourself and you'll see it's really good and it spins for a long time. And I put the staples on because it was there was way too much friction in between. So yeah. And so that's the end of the video. We hope you enjoyed making this fun and really easy craft, and we'll see you later on another Siblings Craft. Bye!